When you welcome someone into your home to make repairs, you want to make sure they're reliable and trustworthy. And when it comes to your windows, you can count on a family-owned business that's been helping people for generations. Well, today we're joined by Chris Carey, president of WindowsDirectUSA.com. Chris, thank you so much for talking to us.
Thanks for having me on, Clyde. I really appreciate it. I got to start again with saying hi to my beautiful wife, Amelia, and we have a 5-month-old at home, Nolan. So I just want to say hello.
Don't blame you for doing that. That's really important. Are you finding that people who are stuck in their homes still want to get things done?
Absolutely. The phone's actually been ringing off the hook. We've been as busy as we've ever been with requests for estimates. People are at home looking at their product, looking at their renovations. So now is very busy.
So tell me a little bit about how you've adapted.
Yeah, so all of our project managers and our installation teams are practicing the CDC guidelines. So we're staying 6 feet apart from everyone when possible, taking all the precautions to make sure everyone's safe.
Well, here's a question a lot of folks have. Are there deals to be had?
Yeah, so we were actually very quick to adapt to virtual in-home appointments. So you can get a quote on your project without anyone ever coming out to your home. So we can do it all online through video chat, just like we're doing now. And we worked out an amazing offer and deal from our manufacturing partners and our financing partners. You can actually get windows, doors, or a new bath for no money down, no interest, and no payments for 1 year. Plus, you'll actually get up to $1,000 stimulus check right back into your pocket.
So where can people go for a virtual visit or to get an in-home quote?
As you can see over my shoulder, our website is WindowsDirectUSA.com. Or you can give us a call, 513-418-1560.
All right, Chris, thank you so much for talking to us today.